In the silence of an industrial garage, where the echo of distant machinery fades into the cool night air, a shape waits under the dim blue and purple lights. The concrete floor glistens with soft reflections, almost like a mirror made from steel and shadow. And at the center of it all, sits a bright yellow sports car. Sleek, aggressive, alive even when the engine sleeps. This is not just a machine. It's a statement. As the camera slowly glides forward, we see the car's aerodynamic lines catching every beam of light. The yellow paint glows like molten gold, shifting as the camera moves. The chrome alloy wheels sparkle with detail, the red brake calipers peeking through like a heartbeat waiting to burst. Cut to far angle. From a distance, the garage feels massive, yet the car commands the entire space. The stillness around it amplifies its presence. This is the kind of car that does not need speed to feel powerful. Even at rest, it radiates dominance. Voiceover. In a world full of noise, some things speak without saying a word. Some things tell a story by simply existing. Transition. Back view. The camera shifts to the rear. Sharp LED taillights form a signature pattern, bold, confident, unmistakable. The dual exhaust sits beneath a sculpted diffuser, promising performance, aggression, thrill. Every curve feels intentional, every angle engineered for one purpose, to make your pulse race. Voiceover. Perfection is not an accident. It is a choice made in steel, in fire, in the quiet moments of inspiration when design meets purpose. Cut to side profile. The camera slowly pans across the smooth side profile. The long hood, the muscular doors, the flawless symmetry from wheel to wheel. Light sweeps across the body as if the car is breathing, as if it knows it's being admired. This is beauty in motion, even when standing still. Transition. Door opens, interior reveal. The scene gently shifts as the driver's door lifts open. The camera moves closer, and the first glimpse inside reveals a world crafted for the senses. Black premium leather wraps the seats like a second skin, stitched with bold contrast lines. Carbon fiber panels run across the dashboard, shimmering under the ambient lights flowing in from outside. The atmosphere feels intimate, like stepping into a personal cockpit built for one mission, driving. Interior narration. Behind every masterpiece, there is a place where the driver becomes one with the machine. Where every movement, every touch, every breath becomes part of the journey. Camera close-up. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is thick, sporty, sculpted for grip. Buttons sit within thumb's reach, giving control without distraction. The emblem at the center glows faintly. Camera close-up. Digital display. The digital instrument cluster flickers alive, illuminating the interior with crisp, futuristic graphics. Speed, torque, navigation, performance stats, it's all there in perfect clarity. This isn't just technology, it's communication. Voiceover. The car does not speak with words, but with numbers. With light, with motion. Camera shift. Center console. The infotainment screen sits angled toward the driver, floating like a piece of tech art. Buttons and switches line the console with minimalist precision. Even the gear selector feels like a crafted jewel, designed not just to function, but to impress. Cut to passenger POV. From the passenger side, the entire cabin looks like a blend of luxury and performance, a balance that only a true sports car can achieve. The seats hug your body. The dashboard wraps around like a protective shell. You don't just sit in this car, you are welcomed into it. Voiceover. Some places feel familiar the moment you enter. Some places feel like home. And then, there are places that transform you. Camera close-up. Pedals and floor lighting. The metal sport pedals shine under soft ambient lighting. Their texture hints at precision. One press, and the world changes. Cinematic moment. The camera rises, slowly circling the interior. Every detail, every angle, every surface showcases craftsmanship. The car is silent, yet its presence fills the room. Even now, without the engine running, you can feel the potential. The power. Voiceover. Emotional tone. Driving is not just movement. It's emotion, it's control, it's freedom, and for those who understand, a car like this is more than transportation, it is an escape. Final scene. Camera pulls out to exterior. The camera drifts back outside, capturing the yellow sports car in full frame once more. The lights shimmer on its body. The garage falls silent again. The car stands there, waiting. Not just for a driver, but for a moment. A moment when machine meets passion. When silence becomes speed. When a journey begins. Closing line. This is not just a car. This is a feeling, waiting to be unleashed.